The next question is, what ingredients are great for hair growth and why? So with hair growth is a very complex topic because your hair is always growing. Your hair is going through loads of different stages. So you have the anagen stage, castor stage. There's loads of different cycles. There's loads of different stages in the hair growth cycle. So you have the stage where it's growing, which can last a couple of years, and then you have the stage where it's dormant, and then you have the stage where it falls out. So at any point in time, I think they say about 80% of your hair is in the growing stage, and your hair grows inches. It really does. I think loads of the time people focus on hair growth when the focus should genuinely be on hair retention. Now, I know I've spoken a lot about hair growth and about my products which work on hair growth. And they do. So they help to stimulate hair growth, but they also help to strengthen the hair, which is really important for hair retention. A lot of the time your hair breaks off prematurely, so it could break off from split ends, it could break off from a whole host of different issues. And the important thing here is the fact that you want to be retaining your hair. So some ingredients that are great for hair growth or hair retention would be some amazing oils. So for example, I think avocado oil is an incredible oil because it has so many vitamins in there. It's packed full of omega-3s, and it is also really great at strengthening your hair, at really solidifying those bonds in your hair and making sure it doesn't drop out. So that is a great ingredient for hair growth. I would also say the same thing for hemp seed oil, for castor oil. These are all packed with so many omega-3s. It really helps to strengthen your hair, to thicken your hair. These are ones that really help to penetrate the hair as well, so actually moisturizes your hair and helps it to grow really long. In terms of essential oils, lavender oil is known for helping to grow hair. So lavender oil is something that I add to the hair growth shampoo and the hair growth conditioner, but you could add it to any of the formulas. So you could add it to your curl definition shampoo and conditioner if you wanted to. Another ingredient that is really great for hair growth, especially if you're dealing with hair loss. So this is something that's completely different. I think that loads of people deal with hair loss at different stages in their life, and this could be stress induced, this could be alopecia, this could be traction alopecia, and so I think there are loads of reasons why people deal with hair loss, but the ingredient, pumpkin seed oil. So pumpkin seed oil is a great ingredient. There was a study administered and it found that people who were taking a tablespoon of pumpkin seed oil every day found their hair grew, and they were struggling with hair loss, found that this helped to counteract hair loss because it basically blocks the hormone that helps to cause hair loss. So if you are struggling with hair loss, I made my mum do this, and my mum's hair has grown significantly. She was starting to lose her hair. I think it was more stress induced, but taking that really worked for her, so I would definitely give that a go. Other great ingredients would include stuff like caffeine, as I said, peppermint, things that stimulate the scalp, that really get the blood rushing to the scalp, because that provides all of the necessary nutrients for your hair. I would also say water. Drink your water. Make sure it's with the ingredients for hair growth. It's not so much about DIY ingredients, although those really help. Your hair grows from the inside, so when your body isn't getting enough of the nutrients it needs, enough of the vitamins it needs, it won't be giving that energy, it won't be giving all of the nutrients to your hair. It will be giving it to your skin, to your health, to your liver, to your organs, to your heart, because that's what actually needs it. So if you make sure that you're eating the right things, if you have a balanced diet, if you're drinking enough water, your hair will start to grow, because the first thing that gets cut off from all supplies is your hair. So if you're not eating well, if you're not living well, if you're not drinking water, your hair really does start to suffer first. A lot of the time when I'm about to be sick, my brother goes, "I think you're going to get a cold," and I'm like, "Why?" And he's like, "Look at your hair." So it really is something, you can definitely see it straight away. My hair starts going extremely dry and like frazzled, and I look like Albert Einstein, but I'm a bit sensitive. So it is definitely something that you should consider as well if you're trying to grow your hair.